Hello guys, this is Yasser with Tradealike.com. You can download the app on the App Store, iOS or Android, and start receiving the alerts in real time. Okay, or you can always subscribe to MoMoTrades for a fixed monthly low price and follow my trades there. Uh, all the trade history is also on the website. All right, good. Now, without wasting further time, I will dive right into it. This is a daily chart of S&P, and as you can see, it broke the 20-day moving average. This is the simple moving average, and the 50-day moving average is it's right around 2405 area, and looks like the stocks might go all the way there, flirt with that 50-day moving average, and bounce back up. We'll see what the market action is right there. But it did so in the previously in mid May and mid of April. So might be that time, with stocks pointing further down, CCI trying to reset. Yeah, so market summer typical sideways action with but overall still bullish. It's just it needs to kind of come down a little, give buyers a chance to go for fresh buying. So we will see how the rest of the week goes by. Let's look at some of the individual names. Actually, let's just drill down to a lower time frame for S&P. So this is what I have, a 2 hourly time frame breakdown of this trend line that I have been kind of trying to see if it holds that. It did not clearly hold that, and now the level to watch is this 2405 area, which can act as a support because it was a prior resistance. Okay, so but still, grand scheme of things, not bad. Let's look at this is the recently closed trade. We traded because it bounced off of the 50-day moving average. It was a nice candle to trade off of. It was hammer looking candle. We trimmed some of the position, I believe, yesterday, and came out from the rest of the position today on the strength, right around $32. So that's good. Let's look at the one that is open currently. Is let's JetBlue. Decent market action in this one. Inverse head and shoulders on a weekly, still flirting with this 23 level, but looks like it's going to break this level towards the upside. If I drill down to a lower time frame on this one, 2 hourly, you can see sort of a mini head and shoulders base right here, bottoms up. And so yeah, I mean, market action is decent, chart is looking nice, so I'm going to hold this one. VFC is another one that we are currently holding. Look at this beauty, really nice. This is a weekly chart. Volume picked up on this possible breakout of the red right hand shoulder. Technicals are in favor, so just whenever the market will stabilize, I see this one really going nicely all the way up to 58 area. Okay, that's where we will come out, or at least trim, if not come out all the way. IVC is another one that we have been holding and trying that the stock can at least trade all the way around $13 for us to kind of come out of this position, because my average is around 14, so that will be $1 loss if I can come out at 13. So it did not really, this trade did not do well. We've been holding it for about 3 weeks now. So anyways, that's okay. Let's look at a couple of names that I wanted to trade but was holding on to executing the trade. This one bounced back down after hitting this resistance level at 92. This candle kind of showed that kind of a dark cloud cover. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, so we'll see if it holds this, if it comes down and starts stabilizing a little bit and gives us a chance to go long. But right now, I'm not touching this one. Ben, Franklin Resources, good chart. Just, I don't know. I just can't read it that much with that much confidence. It is seems like an ascending triangle, so we'll see. Uh, Grub, we already traded this one, not touching this one right now, but if we see a hammer candle around this 50-day moving average tomorrow or maybe Thursday, I'm going to take a chance and go play it on the long side and around this 42, 43 area. Okay. HMHC, it got stopped out around 13 bucks because the stock broke down. So good thing to have a stop loss. Yeah. Small cap stocks are still doing okay. Yeah, I mean, if you look at this ascending triangle, nothing has broken down. Still, trend line is intact. So if broader market is getting weak, I would imagine this would come down further. We'll keep a close eye on this one as well. Uh, JetBlue, we already talked about. LNDC, this is the one might open if this one plays out. Look at this consolidation. Look at this sort of an indecision here around the $13-14 area, 14.50. Nice big volume here, sold down, and still holding on to this 13.75 bottom. So if it does that, nice hammer looking candle today. So if it can stabilize, I'll take a chance on this one. You know, it's a big inverse head and shoulders, and then this mini head and shoulders, higher low here. So definitely interesting looking chart. Okay. Uh, let's look at another one before we call it a day. UVE. I think I wanted to trade on this one as well. Looks really nice on a weekly chart. Yeah, let's drill down to a daily chart and see if it has any potential to give us, yeah, right here, head, and this is the right shoulder, big broad shoulder with a sort of a cup and handle formation as well. Nice hammer looking candles around this rising moving averages. So yeah, I think we can trade this one. Looks nice. I don't know, I just want to look at the monthly chart for this one for whatever reason. Yeah, looks kind of sideways action, but still nothing bearish. So we'll see. Okay. All right, guys. Look out for me, and if you have any questions, please you can always email me or post any comments in this video. Okay. Thank you.